is it going to go up? It's going to pitch up.
Damn. 59 feet out. Tom, you get to your car, we need you. Now we got it. The last number we had is 422033. Holy cow, that's you. You're going to Monterey Car. No. Yeah, she has it.
Very cool. Here we go.
Together, and this is Lou and Lauren Pavisi. Hi, Lauren. Hi, Lou. You get, I don't know, man. This is a special interest award. Mike Rhea of Tahoe City is a 1967 DAF 33. The DAF 33. 2 cylinders. The old right in there. Folks, thank you so much. That's our rundown. Now they're going to go down 17. Did you just knock this out on a couple of weekends? Take a picture right here. For someone like you who knows how to make great food and a great little car. Thank you, Paul. Appreciate it. Okay, take care. There's a winner right there. So I'll tell you that. You got it for free today. Huh? What a deal. That's what you get for the little car show. All right, we got about a half dozen or 10 of them. He's got one here. 246. Good bag. All right, let's see. Who can draw another number? Want to draw a number? Okay. All right, another big 275, 779. 275.
They had this like people like, yeah, they had this cool neighborhood thing.
One close.
That's all right.
The raffle, oh no wait, you have two more to go here. Okay, this is getting down to the blood sport now. I'm going to call this number. If somebody doesn't jump up and down and wave and yell, running at us, we have to move on to somebody else. 275484. Pink ticket. You better have a ticket to back that act up.
Mid-60s? Fine, yeah.
Two, take care.
for the amount of cars, the amount of people, I'm sure the heck that's going to come up. Maybe it's a pretty good one to share with. So again, thank you so much. I just want to be with you tomorrow to announce the winning vehicles of this year's Little Car Show.
Figure it out later. It's very impressive, actually.
My dad was in the racing sport. He used to come to Boogie.
Oh, and race the race, yeah.
They had little cars like this between the two. This looks like
And, you know,
Try and push them through. So hang around if you can't. Why then you also go down Forest, then they're going to take a drive around the coast on the highway. So that's the plan. So they'll all gather here, and then they're going to make a little run down the coast. So if you can't stay here, you can also take a run. 5, 7, 1, 4. You get to go home with a nice big red bag full. 275, 714. No takers yet. All right. Do you have one? 428 as in the aviation business. Any? Good. I had a long time counter tonight. All right. We might still get there. Somebody's got that ticket there. And all right. And then we got official. $150 dinner value at the Monterey Fish House. Boy, that's cool. Take it this time around. Pay 275
I mean, have you kind of wanted to call
275 6 rounds and okay. We'll take it down. 422 015 422 015, which is a heck of a shout value, $150. All right, in the whole blue, call all these numbers again. Now we're gonna go. Never mind. False start. Never mind. Disregard. Waved off. Okay, new pick. Blue ticket this time. We'll give you Bluey's a chance. 422 033. We're going to ask those of you on this side of Lighthouse to kind of move off to the sides a little bit. So you don't want to run anybody over it, just kind of get over there, but be careful what you're leaning up against. Don't scratch into the cars with all the rivets in your Levi's or something like that. But we're going to start. So we'll start off with what the smallest car, the little car show is. Jet powered, and this gentleman with a beard and a black jacket, would you mind moving away from the, there you go, all right, we're gonna clear the road here. This is a work in progress. Art Ciorda of Salinas has a 1929 go-kart, but this one's got a jet engine. And this is 793. 275. 793.
I do it.
And 246. All right, here's the last one, then I'm going to read the other ones that haven't been claimed yet. So, 422, blue ticket, 422077. Congratulations. All right, we've got... Okay, we're going to now do the ones that didn't yet respond. And we'll start with the blue ticket. Okay, getting close now. This is the second to the last one. Now the value goes up to $410. 2 4-day tickets to Laguna Seca Rolex Monterey Motorsports Reunion. And that's going to be a good prize. 2 4-day tickets to Laguna Seca Rolex Monterey Motorsports Reunion. And it goes to a pink ticket, 275484. 2754. All right, we got a blue ticket. Now, if you have number 421, you're halfway there. If that's you, make some noise and let us know. Now we're going to give this one away. This is really well done. So we don't need to know. This is, by the way, for tickets. 197 275 197. Anybody got it? Whistle, yell.
So last year. So is the Austin Brown?
Come on now. Come on now. Anybody got 073?
So I said, well, you know, you get and the motor was shot. I actually got new oil pan.
We got a winner. We got a winner. Guess what? You're going to take your family to How about that? 4 days worth. So you can even invite friends and people on the street, whatever you want to do. Have a great time. Here we go. All right, we're just moments away here. There's trophies that we're going to be giving away. So if you want to have some fun, they're going to fire them up and they're going to come right down the road here. We'd like you to be on the sides, of course.
Two things. You do it cozy. Flat cars and cheese.
Like the size, that joke. A lot of
Sweet ride. Doing parade laps.
Way home. There you go. You are the winner.
not too many Brubaker boxes in Germany. Don't have them anywhere, but
Yeah.
definitely not in Germany.
We bought it here.
Are you exporting it to Germany?
No, it's going to go to the Peterson Museum.
Oh,
We're
great.
going to go to the Concord Le Mans